5.
Have you ever wondered what is causing that slight headache or wooziness that you feel at the end of your workday? Or why your eyes burn when you cross the street? Do you wonder if this is going to cause a long-term problem for you or your kids? Air pollution, both indoors and out, is a global problem. Today, you can join us to challenge it. This is Atmotube, a wearable air quality tracker that measures real-time air pollution, temperature, and humidity. It's the most affordable and most compact air quality tracker on the market today. People don't realize how what's in the air might affect our health. Unless we have asthma or allergies, we don't notice any immediate impact on our bodies and never really care about the air around us. But during the day, the concentration of volatile organic compounds, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide indoors may increase dramatically if the ventilation is not good enough. With Atmotube, it's easy to track the pollution around you and understand what you can do to breathe better. In the big cities, we are often exposed to air pollution outside too, but we are always too busy to pay attention to it. Atmotube will immediately alert you about potential danger, so you can prevent negative health impacts. Atmotube can sense environmental changes in real time to help to make the right choices every day and live healthier. We have been helping other companies to invent and develop hardware and software products for years. Then, we finally decided that it's time to solve our own problem. We've been working on Atmotube for over a year to achieve the most accurate readings from the sensors, craft its beautiful and durable titanium body, and create the best user experience from the data that the Atmotube detects. Now, we're ready to share it with you. Pre-order your Atmotube now and be smarter about the air that you breathe.
4.
The Apple world keeps getting bigger, and the list of must-have Apple gadgets keeps getting longer. The problem is, there's no easy way to store all the essentials that keep our devices powered and fully functional. Getting the right charger out of a stuffed backpack can be frustrating, and when it comes to headphones and cables, well, we all know they come out a tangled mess. Meet Bento Stack, the perfect companion to keep all your must-have Apple components neat and organized on the road and on your workspace. Inspired by the minimalistic design of the modern Japanese lunchbox, the Bento Stack is a multi-compartment container that has been smartly engineered to efficiently hold all your Apple charging cables, power bricks, headphones, and even the Apple Pencil. Let's take a look at how Bento Stack works. The bottom storage compartment is optimized to hold larger accessories like power bricks and wall chargers. Adjustable dividers can be inserted to keep each item stable in its own customizable space. A form-fitting lid keeps everything secure and also doubles as an Apple Watch band holder. Stacked on top is a second storage compartment which holds your smaller accessories such as earphones and various charging cables. Additional dividers again can be inserted to keep cords and wires in their own dedicated space to prevent tangling. The lid for this compartment serves as your dedicated Apple Pencil holder and doubles as a convenient desktop stand for your iPhone. All compartments stack seamlessly together, creating a minimal design aesthetic that has come to be expected by the Apple consumer. In addition to being stackable and adjustable, the Bento Stack is also modular. To travel ultralight, simply place what you need in just one of the compartments, select the lid of your choice, and create your own mini bento. So if you are an Apple enthusiast like we are and don't like the cheaply made mesh-lined cases on the market today, or prefer not to overspend on leather accessory bags or travel backpacks, we have the perfect solution for you. This is our first Indiegogo campaign, and we are looking for your help to bring Bento Stack to the world. We funded the tooling ourselves, and now just need your help to purchase the materials and pay for the first production run. So help keep your workspace neat and your travel organized, all with this one-of-a-kind, truly captivating case that is sure to strike up a conversation or two along the way. Thank you for your support.
3. 2,
Keeping our home safe is important to all of us. Getting your house broken into sucks. It's not just the stuff that you lose, but because your home feels violated. What you want is to keep it from happening in the first place. And that's why we created Kuna, to help you prevent break-ins. This is Kuna. Kuna is a smart Wi-Fi camera built into an elegant outdoor light fixture. It detects people and alerts you. So you can see and talk to them on your smartphone.
Hey, could you leave the package out front? We're a little busy.
It's cool, man. We're in the future.
And it's the best way to actively prevent break-ins.
Most burglaries are crimes of opportunity. The burglars will actually knock on your door to see if you're home. And when they realize you're not home, they'll attempt to enter your house. Keeping them outside is the most important thing you can do, and Kuna allows you to do that.
You can deter burglars by talking to them or setting off Kuna's alarm.
Can I help you?
I'm selling magazines.
Yeah, no thanks.
They'll leave. And all this happens when they're still outside, before they even try to break in. Making your home safer shouldn't be a chore. For one of these, you have to climb in the attic, run wires, drill holes. It's a pain, and it's not cheap. That's why we built Kuna into an outdoor light. Just replace your old light fixture and use your existing wiring. Connect Kuna to Wi-Fi and you're done. It'll take 15 minutes. And we want Kuna to look good no matter where it is. So we're making it in 3 different styles to match your house. You can put Kuna anywhere. Front door, back door, even the garage to watch your car. Oh, and your light gets smarter too. You can control it with the Kuna app. Turn it on, turn it off, set a schedule, or just let it turn on automatically when it gets dark or when there's a person. You only want to get alerts that matter. Kuna ignores trees and small animals, and it recognizes people's behaviors. So if you don't want to know every time your spouse goes out jogging, you can tell Kuna to alert you only for visitors waiting at the door. And it'll learn and get smarter over time.
Hey, baby.
There's a peace of mind that comes from knowing what's happening at your home. Whether it's your loved ones or the delivery guy, Kuna will always let you know. And if it's someone bad, now you can do something about it. Kuna. Stop break-ins before they happen.
One,
This is Sugru. It's moldable glue that bonds to almost any other material, and overnight it turns into a strong, durable rubber. One of our customers described it best when they said, if superglue and Play-Doh had a love child, then this would be it. It's soft enough to mold into any shape, yet durable enough to fix almost anything. I invented it to make fixing and making easy for everyone. Over the last few generations, we've grown out of the habit of fixing stuff, and now there's far too much waste in this world. What if we could have a more thoughtful relationship with the stuff we own and our environment? Instead of buying new things all the time, why don't we fix, improve and reimagine the stuff we already have so it works better for us? I grew up on a farm, and on a farm, fixing is a way of life. When something breaks, you don't go to the shops, you get the welder out. I thought everyone lived like this, and when I realised they didn't, I wanted to do something about it. I decided to go to school in London to become a product designer. I was so excited about it, but a few weeks in, it wasn't what I'd imagined. Designing more new things for the world just didn't seem like the right thing to do. I felt totally lost. One day, I did a random experiment mixing silicone polymers with sawdust. That led to this. It looked like wood, but it bounced like a ping pong ball. That to me was magic. I really wanted to find out what this curious thing could be, but I just couldn't figure out what it was for. Until one night, my boyfriend James said,
I said, follow me to the kitchen. Look at what you've been doing. You've been using your leftover material to fix stuff. What if it was normal for everyone to fix and redesign their stuff like this?
And I was like, wow, that's an amazing idea. And that's when my mind went wild. I started to imagine the countless things that people could do with it. If I could make this work, it could be so useful for millions of people. So I teamed up with some amazing scientists who helped me get started. I had a lot to learn and I needed to get hands-on again, this time in a lab. We had to learn about silicone polymer chains, designing a cross-linking process that could be catalyzed simply by exposure to air, and how to make something that could be a pleasure to mold in your hands, yet bond like crazy to almost any other surface. And then we had to figure out how it could be industrially robust and produced and packed at scale. Thousands of experiments and engineering hours later, we had made the world's most versatile glue.
This material is absolutely amazing because of what you can do with it. It really is the world's most versatile glue. It's an adhesive that allows you to stick anything to anything. You can mold it into any shape to fill those weird gaps between things, creating a strong, secure bond. And that's not all. It's got some pretty cool properties too. It's strong but flexible, cold and heat resistant, sticky yet removable, waterproof and UV resistant, good for indoors and out, grippy and even shock absorbing. Just stick it, shape it, and in 24 hours it turns into a strong, flexible rubber. It can make your cables last longer. You can make handy hooks to hang anything, anywhere. Fix broken plastics. And even fix my favorite drinking mug. It helps keep your feet warm and dry. It's waterproof, heat and cold resistant, so you can easily fix the broken seal on your washing machine. Sugru is super durable, so perfect for use indoors and out. People love Sugru because fixing things just makes sense and feels great. Like customizing this PlayStation controller. Or like Stefan, who transformed an old digital camera into a kick-ass kids cam. Or like Snowy, who was given a new foot made with Sugru.
These ideas come from people all over the world who are using Sugru to make their stuff last longer and work better for them. They've grown into a community. It's just people who love to share their ideas and stories to help inspire the world to get fixing again. Sugru, the world's most versatile glue. Come on over to sugru.com, join in and get excited.